Okay, so here we are. You can see there's these little tabs right here. Let's see. I don't know. But right here, I gotta take something and push that out in order to get this off. So, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can do this. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera. I have that camera running, so you'll see that. Yeah, here it is. It's all brown and dirty. If it will focus on this dirty speaker. Here. But yeah, you get the idea, and that's why it's not working, because I'm not sure what happened to it, but it just like corroded and blew up, whatever, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and open up the other speaker to compare it, and it's similar, as you can see. It is similar. Hopefully it will work. I don't know. I can always return it if I need to. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. But yeah, you can see a big difference in the size. And that's probably one of the big complaints. I should have looked at the measurements. Anyways, as you can see, this one's supposed to go in here just like that and fits perfectly. But this one, of course, will not. So I will probably be able to stick it in here somehow if I don't want to break it. But hopefully I can put it in here somehow without damaging anything. But it all depends on if it even works. So we're going to go ahead and try to get this connected. Okay, so I finally got it completed. As you can see, it's not like out here. What I had to do, because as you can see, this is supposed to be screwed in, but the speaker was too big, like I was talking about. So what I did here is I hot glued this plastic piece to the green part of the plastic on the speaker, and once that dried, I made it go into the slot where it's supposed to be, and then I hot glued it to the screw hole. So it is possible to take it out if I need to, but it does help hold it in. Of course, it's not going to be that sturdy, but it helps for now. And then I took some hot glue on the electric tape and hot glued it with there. And then this wire is just being held up by the one that was hot glued onto the plastic. So I don't really have to glue this wire down anywhere. But I finally got it completed. As you can see here, it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and put it all back together so we can do a demo with it working. After like maybe 4 years already. That is how long this thing has been broken.